In October 2017, astronomers at Hawaii's Haleakala Observatory made a discovery that would captivate the world. A mysterious object unlike anything seen before was detected streaking across the night sky. This was no ordinary asteroid or comet. It was a visitor from far beyond our solar system, a true interstellar traveler. They named it Oumuamua, a Hawaiian word meaning a messenger from afar arriving first. The name itself hinted at the object's extraordinary journey and the sense of wonder it inspired among scientists and stargazers alike. Unlike any asteroid or comet we'd cataloged, Oumuamua raced through our solar system on a hyperbolic path, moving so fast that it was not bound to the sun's gravity. Its trajectory revealed it was just passing through, never to return. As astronomers tracked its journey, they noticed its brightness fluctuated wildly, suggesting a bizarre, elongated or even pancake-like shape. It tumbled end over end, spinning chaotically as it reflected sunlight in unpredictable ways. No known object in our solar system looked like this. Its proportions were extreme, possibly 10 times longer than it was wide, making it truly unique among the thousands of space rocks we've observed. It was dark and reddish, likely colored by cosmic rays during its long journey through interstellar space. As it tumbled, it caught the sun's rays in a peculiar way, making it even more mysterious. Oumuamua appeared to come from the direction of the bright star Vega, in the constellation Lyra, but it had traveled for so many millions of years that Vega itself had moved since Oumuamua began its journey, making its true origin even more enigmatic. After slingshotting around the sun, Oumuamua accelerated and sped back out into the vastness of interstellar space, vanishing as quickly as it had appeared. It left behind a trail of questions and a sense of awe. The scientific community was left stunned. What exactly was this cosmic enigma? Was it a fragment of a distant planet, a rogue asteroid, or something even stranger? Was it a natural wanderer, shaped by the forces of the universe, or could it be a relic of alien technology, sent intentionally or by accident across the stars? Its fleeting visit was a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown, a cosmic riddle that challenged our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Oumuamua was a messenger, but its message remained undeciphered. It left us with more questions than answers, sparking debates and theories that continue to this day. The universe had sent us a puzzle, a cosmic mystery that beckoned us to look deeper, to question, and to wonder about what else might be out there. The search for answers had only just begun. As telescopes continue to scan the heavens, astronomers remain vigilant, hoping for another messenger, and perhaps one day, a solution to the riddle of Oumuamua. When Oumuamua was first detected, scientists around the world scrambled to classify it. Was it an asteroid, a comet, or something entirely new? The more they looked, the less it seemed to fit into any known category. It traveled along a path similar to a comet, yet it showed none of the classic signs. No glowing tail, no jets of gas, no dust cloud trailing behind. Instead, it was just a silent, tumbling rock, moving through space with an eerie calm. Stranger still, as it moved away from the sun, Oumuamua began to accelerate. There were no visible jets, no outgassing, and no sign of any propulsion system. It was as if some invisible force was pushing it along, defying our expectations. Clearly, this was no ordinary object. Its behavior challenged everything we thought we knew about visitors from beyond our solar system. Its shape was another puzzle, at least 10 times longer than it was wide, making it far more elongated than any asteroid or comet ever observed. It looked almost like a cosmic cigar, or perhaps a shard from some distant world. Normally, the forces of nature round off space rocks over time, smoothing their edges. But Oumuamua defied those odds, maintaining a bizarre, elongated form that set it apart from everything else. Its unexplained acceleration, its extreme shape, and its lack of a tail or dust cloud made it a true outlier, an object that simply didn't fit any of our existing models. Each anomaly on its own would be unusual, but together, they formed a mystery that was truly extraordinary, leaving scientists both baffled and intrigued. Was Oumuamua a new kind of comet, a fragment from an alien world, or something else entirely, something we had never even imagined? The more data we gathered, the more questions arose. Instead of solving the puzzle, our investigations only deepened the mystery, drawing us further into the unknown. Oumuamua forced us to rethink our understanding of interstellar objects, challenging the very foundations of what we thought was possible in our cosmic neighborhood. It was as if this object was a messenger from the stars, speaking in the complex language of physics, and we were left struggling to decipher its message. piecing together clues from every angle. The universe had thrown us a curveball, a riddle wrapped in the enigma of deep space, and we were left searching for answers. Our cosmic visitor refused to fit any mold, slipping through the cracks of our definitions and leaving us with more questions than answers. As Oumuamua drifted farther into the darkness, the mystery only grew stranger, reminding us how much we still have to learn about the universe and its endless surprises. Theories exploded. Was Oumuamua a hydrogen iceberg, a nitrogen shard from a distant world, or something even stranger? Some explanations fit parts of the puzzle, but none explained everything. Then Harvard's Loeb proposed a radical idea. What if Oumuamua was artificial, a light sail pushed by sunlight sent by an alien civilization? Its thin, flat shape and unexplained acceleration fit this theory. The idea was controversial, but it captured imaginations worldwide. Most scientists urged caution, seeking natural explanations first. Still, the debate raged. Was this a bizarre natural object, or the first sign we're not alone? Oumuamua became a cosmic Rorschach test. What you saw depended on what you believed. The evidence was circumstantial, but the questions were profound. Was this a fluke of nature, or a message from the stars? The mystery deepened and the world watched. For years, Oumuamua was a one-off mystery, an enigma drifting through the void, leaving scientists and stargazers alike with more questions than answers. It was a cosmic riddle, a solitary visitor from beyond our solar system, and for a long time, it seemed destined to remain unique. But in 2024, everything changed. Astronomers detected another interstellar object dubbed IS-02, and it shared the same bizarre traits as Oumuamua: an elongated shape, no visible tail, and a mysterious acceleration that defied explanation. The scientific community was stunned. Was this a coincidence or the start of a pattern? Soon after, a third object appeared, then a fourth. Before long, a steady stream of Oumuamua-like objects began entering our solar system, each one echoing the strange characteristics of the first. What was once a solitary oddity had become a procession, an influx of interstellar visitors. Even more unsettling, they all arrived from the same region of the sky, moving in a loose, coordinated flock, as if following some invisible path or responding to a distant signal. Their synchronized arrival defied random chance. The odds of so many identical anomalies appearing at once were astronomical, almost beyond belief. Statistically, nature simply doesn't repeat such improbable oddities without reason. In the natural world, rare events are just that, rare. Yet here, the impossible was happening again and again, challenging everything we thought we knew about cosmic phenomena. Theories about rare interstellar icebergs or random debris faded into the background. In their place, a new, unsettling pattern emerged, one that hinted at something far more complex and perhaps intentional. The singular anomaly had become a global phenomenon, dominating headlines and captivating the world's imagination. The number of sightings grew, and so did the sense of urgency. The debate reignited with new intensity. Were these objects natural, or was there something else at play? Theories ranged from unknown cosmic processes to the possibility of artificial origins. The question shifted from, what was Oumuamua, to, what are these things and what do they want? Humanity was left searching for answers in the face of the unknown. The universe, once thought vast and empty, suddenly felt crowded, teeming with mysterious visitors, whose purpose remained a mystery. Humanity faced a new reality, one that demanded answers, collaboration, and a willingness to confront the unknown together. The world watched, waited, and wondered. The cosmic ghost story had become a global mystery. The implications were staggering, reaching far beyond science and into the very heart of what it means to be human. The search for meaning had never been more urgent. The universe was speaking, and for the first time, we realized it might be speaking to us. The arrival of a fleet of Oumuamua-like objects sent shockwaves worldwide. Space agencies scrambled. NASA, ESA, China, Russia, all redirected telescopes to monitor the newcomers. The James Webb Space Telescope, built to study the early universe, now focused on these mysterious visitors. International cooperation surged. Old rivalries faded in the face of a shared unknown. Military and intelligence agencies joined the effort, analyzing potential threats. Private space companies like SpaceX saw a new frontier. Elon Musk declared, "We are not alone." The idea of intercepting a visitor became a serious discussion. News of the fleet dominated headlines, uniting humanity in awe and anxiety. The world held its breath, waiting for answers. For the first time, we were a planet under observation. The observers remained silent, distant, and utterly alien. The global response was one of high alert and wonder. As observations intensified, the fleet's behavior grew stranger. These objects weren't just drifting, they made subtle course corrections as if navigating. They flew in formation, maintaining precise relative positions. When one adjusted its path, others followed, suggesting coordination. This was no random cluster, it was a squadron. Even more unsettling, the objects reacted to our attempts to study them. Radar signals caused their tumbling to stabilize, or their reflectivity to shift. It was as if they knew we were watching. The evidence mounted. These were not just artificial, but operational. The silence from the fleet felt deliberate, a choice, not a limitation. The mystery had evolved from, what are they, to, who controls them? Humanity faced a new kind of unknown. With a fleet of intelligent, self-propelled objects overhead, humanity asked, what is their purpose? Are they probes sent to survey the galaxy? Or sentinels, monitoring our progress? Perhaps their arrival is a response to our growing technological footprint. Some wondered if the fleet itself was a message, a demonstration of power, or an invitation to reach higher. The ambiguity was the message, we are not alone, but the meaning is unclear. Are we being studied, warned, or welcomed? The silence left us to speculate. Each theory, explorers, guardians, messengers, carried hope and fear. The only certainty, their presence had changed us forever. The universe was no longer silent. The age of cosmic mystery had begun. The Oumuamua fleet marks a turning point in human history. Our cosmic loneliness is gone. We are part of a larger galactic story. The presence of these visitors forces us to see ourselves as one species, Earthlings. Fear and curiosity now drive us forward. What can we learn from them? What will we become? A new era of space exploration is inevitable. We are left to wonder, to watch, and to wait. Oumuamua and its companions have opened a new chapter for humanity. The universe is not empty and our journey is just beginning. The age of wonder has arrived.